How important is automation for precision machining? At WFL Technology Meeting 2026 at Linz, Austria, Gerhard Edinger is going to talk about their two-station which is showcased here.
WFL is producing Millturn machines since many years. Together with the machines, we are also delivering technology package for our customers. And the next step is now a one-stop shopping for our customers. We are providing the Millturn machine, the technology package, as well as automated solution, which you can see behind me. Here in this cell, we are, for example, using a WFL M35 machine. This machine is used for smaller components with a diameter up to 500 millimeters and a center distance of 1.8 meters. This machine here behind me is equipped with a 6-axis robot. On the robot we have different possibilities to clamp a part. So we can change the gripper automatically, we can use it for bars or for disc parts, and can handle both type of components in our machine. The machine is also equipped with an automatic system for changing the jaws. This means the robot can change the jaws depending on the part requirement. The next possibility in this machine is to use the camera, which also can be automatically connected to the robot. With this camera we can identify the component on the pallet, and the robot will take the part from the pallet without any device. Of course, this cell is also equipped with interfaces to a host system, to a master system on top, and can communicate with this system. So this is the second system which we show on this WFL Technology Meeting. This system is used for heavy parts. It's a gantry system, area gantry system, where we handle big crankshafts for our customer. In total we have 16 machines in this unit. So 2 gantry systems will cover in total 16 WFL machines and handle these parts from the machine to the warehouse and back to the warehouse.